Hi, today I decided to convert my bird to amazing keychain without mold. But before we get started, I want to remind you to hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us keep creating content like this for you to enjoy. Once you've got everything ready, it's time to prep those feathers. We want to make sure they're clean and free of any oils that could interfere with the resin curing process. Simply give them a gentle wipe down with some rubbing alcohol and let them dry completely. As you see, I create my mold with a plastic bottle. It's friendly with resin. I fix it with UV resin. You can use super glue or silicone. Now comes the fun part, pouring the resin into the molds. But before we do that, let's arrange our feathers in the molds to create the perfect design. You can get as creative as you like here, mixing and matching different feathers to achieve your desired look. In the heart of every feather lies a story, a journey through the skies, and a connection to the natural world that is both profound and mystical. Welcome to Handmade Dünyası, where today we embark on a unique adventure, transforming these ethereal tokens of flight into something both beautiful and functional, resin keychains. Selecting the right feather is the first step in our journey. It's not just about the color or size. It's about feeling the energy and story each one carries, and today, we've chosen these. Next, let's mix up our resin. Follow the instructions on your resin packaging carefully, making sure to measure out equal parts of resin and hardener. Once you've got your mixture ready, you can add in a few drops of resin dye or pigment if you want to add some color to your keychains. The resin acts as a protector, a guardian of the feather's beauty, sealing it in time. As we pour, we're not just crafting a keychain. We're preserving a piece of the natural world, creating a talisman that carries the essence of the skies. In Handmade Dünyası, we believe in the power of transformation, in the magic that happens when we bring elements of the natural world into our daily lives. These resin keychains are not just accessories. They're a bridge to the wild, to the stories whispered by the wind. Once you're happy with your feather arrangement, carefully pour the resin over them, making sure to cover them completely. Use a toothpick or a skewer to gently nudge any air bubbles to the surface. After the resin has fully cured, it's time to demold our keychains and add the finishing touches. Use some sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave it in comments. In description, you will find link to my shop and all social media platforms. Don't forget to follow me. Also, you will find link for materials and supplies for resin crafting. You will get up to 50% discount on your purchase. It's delivered to worldwide.
Sand it carefully until you get perfect style that you want. Don't worry with blur done from sanding, we will fix it with resin. After finishing sanding, pour a little amount of resin on the top and spread it carefully and let it dry. I colored the edge with silver color, then attach your keychain hardware. And there you have it, your very own custom resin keychains infused with beautiful bird feathers. Aren't they just stunning? These make for perfect gifts or even just a little treat for yourself. Thank you for joining us on this journey of creation and preservation. Remember, in every feather, in every drop of resin, there's a story waiting to be told. I hope you enjoyed following along with this project, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more creative Ds like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, keep crafting, keep creating.